Hi there, welcome back. I'm Sai, your Virtual Business Integrator. I help growth stage founders turn messy backends into simple, scalable systems so you can grow your business without burning out. You're here on day 5 of 7 days to predictable revenue, and today we're doing something that can instantly unlock your time and leadership capacity. You've already uncovered your revenue bottleneck, set your 12-month North Star, audited your funnel, and installed a simple KPI system. Now it's time to ask the big question. Are you the bottleneck now? Today is all about smart delegation, starting with one task you can hand off this week. Let's dive into your worksheet.
Today is all about smart delegation, starting with one task you can hand off this week. So let's dive into your worksheet. You can start by asking, what role are you stuck in that's eating your time and slowing your team? So are you still the content creator, the project manager, the tech fixer, the sales closer, the funnel builder? Write down the 1 to 2 hats you're wearing too often here. Next, pick one task from that role that is time-consuming, easy to mess up, mentally draining. Maybe it's uploading YouTube videos, sending client reminders, or updating reports. So you can write them here. And on step 3, let's create a simple 3 to 5 step checklist. For each step, jot down the action, who does it or the owner, and what tools is used. So that's it. No long paragraphs, just the essentials. Example, uploading YouTube videos. The owner is you, the tool platform, YouTube. And another example, weekly newsletters. Who owns this? Email marketer. What is your tool? Maybe ActiveCampaign or whatever you have right now. So just keep it simple. Just step who does it and what tool they use. On step 4, write 2 to 3 quick points that define success. So think sent every Friday by noon, proper subject line format, tag correctly in ClickUp, or tag correctly in ActiveCampaign. This give your team a clear finish line without needing you. And then the step 5, delegate it. Send the SOP, share a loom if needed, and schedule a quick review after their first run. So you've just created leverage. That's how real scaling begins. This is the building block of operational freedom. You've just taken your first real step into becoming the leader, not just the operator of your business. So you identified the role that's bottlenecking your growth, picked a task to delegate, and even drafted your first mini SOP. That one documented process, it's the beginning of your process library, the foundation for a business that scales without your constant involvement. Now, inside my growth engine build, this is how we systemize delivery, onboarding, marketing, so your business grows even when you're not into the weeds. And this is how it looks like inside my growth engine build. This is how we systemize delivery, onboarding, and marketing, so your business grows even when you're not in the weeds. So we will be creating a high-level core process. So this is an example of a process flow, and also we will have a process master list sheet with an 80-20 process prioritization, which is a very detailed process and guidelines to help your business grow even when you're not in the weeds.
Now, once you've freed up time, the question becomes, what should you actually focus on? That's where we go next. In day 6, I'll walk you through a campaign planning snapshot, a fast way to map your next launch or offer campaign. So you're not just posting content or sending emails, you're building momentum with a purpose. Get ready to align your team, your offer, and your timeline, and see how revenue becomes predictable when your campaigns are planned and repeatable. I'll see you in day 6.